Fred Dodson. Next to him, Brandon Creasman. We got the best promoter in the state, Mr. Dan Woolak on percussion. Straight from Alameda, Anthony Brasco on drums. Rip it up! To my left, one of my best friends, Jim Kerwin. Give it up. We have the Keil band. This next song is about days like these sometimes. When the phone just rings off the hook and just don't stop, but for good reason. Name of this song is PiDiddle, Too Much Noise. Do you really believe there was a time when the phone didn't ring and the sun just shined? Do you really believe there was a land when the people just seemed to simply understand there's too much noise? There's too much noise. I wanna get down and be myself. I let my hair down like no one else. I wanna skip town all by myself, cause there's too much noise. I wanna kick back and just relax. I wanna feel cruise, take my foot off the gas. I wanna hit snooze and skip the class. Too much noise. Don't you know I'm tired of playing monkey in the middle? Wander in the dark, take a swing and scream PiDiddle. Hit full throttle, grab the bag, bring a bottle and roll down the road. Don't call it soul, I just roll down the road. Find a watering hole, I just roll down the road. God have mercy on my soul. Have mercy, mercy on my soul. I wanna light up and smoke 'em down. I wanna find a hidden bar in this deserted town. I wanna hit the gym and pass 'em around. It's too much noise. I wanna pay back and just for sale. Tell the whole world that they can stick their email. I wanna cash out, lash out and bail. There's too much noise. Don't you know I'm tired of playing monkey in the middle, cause there's too much noise. I wander in the dark, take a swing and scream PiDiddle, cause there's too much noise. Get full throttle, grab the bag, bring a bottle and roll. my soul. When I start to roll, when I lose control. Thank you very much. Hello.
I'll see you at the bar. 15 minutes.
Let's hear it. Yeah, how's it doing? You guys lift it up.
Best. The first is always the best.
Yes.
Always the best.
Thank you very much.
We are the Mankind Band.